What secret makes a woman addicted to a man? How to be the man she can't stop thinking about. Creating genuine, lasting attraction is an art, not a manipulation tactic. While the idea of making someone obsessed with you may sound extreme, the truth is that deep emotional connections are built on authenticity, confidence, and emotional intelligence. If you want a woman to be deeply drawn to you, to think about you constantly, and feel an irresistible pull, you must focus on becoming the kind of man who naturally inspires passion and devotion. Here's how. Cultivate unshakable confidence, without arrogance. Confidence is magnetic. A woman becomes obsessed with a man who knows his worth but doesn't need validation. Stand tall, speak with purpose, and own your space. Be comfortable with silence. It shows you're not desperate for attention. Maintain strong eye contact. It builds intimacy and trust. True confidence isn't about bragging. It's about being secure in who you are. Master the art of emotional connection. Women crave emotional depth. If you can make her feel understood and valued, she'll crave your presence. Listen actively. Ask deep questions. And remember details about her life. Share vulnerable stories. This builds trust and makes her feel special. Match her emotional energy. If she's playful, be playful. If she's serious, engage thoughtfully. The more emotionally connected she feels, the more she'll associate you with positive emotions. Be mysterious, but not unavailable. Mystery creates intrigue. If she can't fully figure you out, she'll stay curious. Don't reveal everything at once. Let her discover layers of your personality over time. Have a life outside of her. Pursue passions, hobbies, and goals that make you interesting. Leave her wanting more. End conversations on a high note rather than dragging them out. A man with depth is far more captivating than one who overshares too soon. Trigger her emotions the right way. Emotional spikes create obsession. If you can make her feel excitement, laughter, and even a little challenge, she'll associate you with strong emotions. Tease her playfully. Light, fun banter keeps things exciting. Surprise her. Spontaneous dates or thoughtful gestures stand out. Don't always be predictable. Keep her guessing in a good way. Boredom kills attraction. Emotional stimulation keeps it alive. Be a leader without being controlling. Women are drawn to men who take initiative. Leadership isn't about dominance, it's about decisiveness. Plan dates confidently. Don't ask, "What do you want to do?" Instead, say, "I'm taking you here." Stay calm under pressure. How you handle stress shows your strength. Inspire her. Have ambitions and drive that make her admire you. A man with direction is inherently attractive. Create sexual tension without being sleazy. Physical attraction is crucial, but subtlety is key. Use subtle touch. A light brush on her arm or lower back builds anticipation. Speak in a deeper, slower tone. This subconsciously increases attraction. Make her imagine intimacy. Flirty glances and suggestive, but classy, comments work wonders. Sexual tension is about the possibility of passion, not rushing into it. Be the prize, without being conceited. If she feels like she has to earn your attention in a healthy way, she'll value you more. Don't chase, attract. Let her come to you sometimes. Have standards. If she senses you'll accept anything, she'll lose interest. Stay slightly unpredictable. Don't always respond immediately to texts. Scarcity increases value. Obsession comes from authenticity. True obsession isn't about manipulation. It's about becoming a man so compelling that she can't help but be drawn to you. Confidence, emotional depth, mystery, and leadership create an irresistible allure. Focus on being the best version of yourself, and she'll naturally become captivated by you.